First, you goes to MKT TUBE. My software have a lot of features. It can manage unlimited account for you to use. You can see my software can have you auto seeding video, seeding short, seeding live stream, and auto post video. To seeding live stream, first go to seeding function and select seeding video. I will choose any live stream link on YouTube and paste it into the software like this. Then you will adjust the parameters of the software, such as likes, subscriptions, live stream viewing time. You can comment as you like or use AI to comment. Finally, you choose the accounts you want to see the live stream or select them all. Let's see the results. To use this software, you need to buy a 1-year or permanent license. You can contact me through the information I have provided below. Thanks for watching. Give me one subscribe if you like this video.